Okay, well this is my 2011 Freightliner Cascadia. It's got a Detroit diesel. Pretty nice truck. Let's take a look inside. Passenger side, glove box, which we don't store our gloves in. Driver side, we've got the voltmeter, oil pressure, water, temperature, tach speedometer, LED readout at the top there, just below my hat. Fuel, air pressure, primary and secondary, and then applied pressure at the bottom. Qualcomm stereo, which actually rocks pretty good, not too bad. And above your head, you've got storage, a lot of storage. Anyhow, captain's seat, pretty cool. Passenger. Then onto the sleeper cab, we'll start at the top. Storage. Top bunk, which is in the up position. My bed and grandma's blanket. Gotta love that. Over here, a little more storage is where like the TV would go. More storage down here. Come over to the clothes closet and I've got my clothes. Got Raymond here checking things out.
So you got used